Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox QR code. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox QR code, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you'll search about this window of Roblox. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.